Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I've got a mystery box from ODEN'S EYE, which is a fantastic company. And please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. And this is the small box. It was like $40 or $45. And it's supposed to have like $90 worth of stuff in it. So let's get in here. Let's get in here and get to opening up this box, because I cannot wait to see what I got. I watched one video of a larger box, and hopefully this is different. It's small but mighty. Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful box. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And let's open it up. It is packed very nicely. Look how beautiful that is. It is wrapped. Nothing was going to happen to this mystery box for sure. Oh, there's a little card. It says, "You're born to shine, you're born to radiate. Put some shimmer on your happy eyes." Very nice. How did they know my eyes were happy? How did they know? And this is a pretty heavy feeling box, which is cool. It looks like it's taped. Alrighty. This is very secure. And there's a lot of stuff that's kind of coming out now. And I'm just going to dump it in the box. First off, this is very heavy feeling. And it says Norns something. Mesmerizer. Something, Veil of Future. And it is wrapped in plastic. Everything's very secure with this company. They don't want anybody getting into anything without their permission, which is nice. You know, you like to have something secure. And it's got a beautiful little sun and little shimmery highlights there. Ooh, it's a beautiful highlighter. I'm afraid to take the plastic off. Oh, there it is. I can just lift the plastic up and see how beautiful that is. It's got reflective gold and lavender and white. That's a beautiful, beautiful highlighter. Next up, looks like we have two single shadows. It's really hard to open this because I've got these fancy nails and they're not conducive to opening up this plastic. Well, I'll just show you. This is the color. It's a beautiful pink shimmer. And then this is a beautiful blackish dark plum with purple reflect. So that's two single eyeshadows. Very nice. I've got two pencils. The first one is a Solomon gel liner in 001, which is this hot pink number. Very cool. And then the second one is in 015, and it is in black. So that's very nice. We love the gel liner. It's great for lining your waterline. And then it says a mini eyeshadow palette, Rondi. Sounds like Rondi. This plastic seems to be easier to open. Thank goodness, because those single shadows were not coming open anytime soon. It's got beautiful eyes. Oh, this is really, really pretty. That's gorgeous. And the quality is fantastic for the ODEN'S EYE shadows. So I'm sure the highlighter is going to be much the same. I've got another palette. And this says Alva 2 Mini Ocean Palette. Ooh, this is cool. So we've got two palettes and a highlighter and two pencils. This is definitely worth the money. And actually, I think this is a little better than the bigger box because I don't think it had two eyeshadow palettes. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And the quality of these shadows is just fantastic. All right, so for my mystery box, I got a lot of good stuff. I got two eyeshadow palettes, two single shades, two eye pencils, a highlighter, and that's a lot for $45. So I think that that is a fantastic deal. I'm super excited about it and stoked. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.